pottery, cloth making, doesn't matter, computer making, whatever your interest, but become skilled. Fourth pillar, now you have good values and character, you understand yourself, you also acquired skills. Now use these principles to build a healthy family. Work on your family. All the women in your family, all the other men in your family, develop them. Fifth pillar, you are living in a village. Your village has problems. It could be drinking water problem, it could be ration problem, social justice problem, any problem, health problem, education problem. Take up problems that you are passionate about and create solutions. Make your village a better place for everybody and do this voluntarily. We will teach you how to do this also. How to use RTI, how to understand how government functions, how to benefit from government schemes. Learn it, help others learn it also. In this way, develop your village. Right? So if you are willing to fulfill our two conditions, then 40% share of our profit is yours. 20% share of profit is for our education system, both adult learning and children's education. It also includes teacher training programs in schools. There we allocate 20% of our profits. We retain 40% of the profits to be a strong, stable enterprise that is profitable. That's how company is trying to transform this country, especially the poor in this country. And inshallah we look forward to your support and help so that we succeed. Because we will not be able to do this also alone by ourselves. We require a lot of people to trust in us, believe in us, and stand by us. That's our plea, that's our request. Please support us. There are many other villages that we are examining, we are considering. Utkur, we have taken a decision. Right? Utkur is fine. But alongside with Utkur, we are looking at 2 more villages. What we are doing, I'll give you some examples. Right? So in Utkur, we have been there for 8 months. Now, up till now, 8 months we have spent in Utkur. We've been telling them that please come and join hands with us, we will give you sheep to grow. How many people came forward to take sheep from the 150 people who are jobless? 2. Okay. We can't start this project with 2 people. Because there must be at least 5 people in the team for us to give them sheep to grow. Fine, no problem. We will continue to work. There is a gentleman in Utkur, and I am not going to give you details of that gentleman because it won't be fair to him. Right? He is postgraduate. I won't even want to identify the specifics of that post-graduation. Right? Because Utkur is a small place, anybody can go and start digging and you will find out who's who there. Not a very difficult job to do. Now this gentleman, after post-graduation, what is he doing in Utkur? He works as a tailor. How did I find out this? I spoke to him and I really understood that he is educated. He is having some ability to understand. Intellectual growth is there. So I explained the entire thing to him and I said, join us. Right? There is a lot of work in this village. You can be our man in the village to do all the work. So he said, how much will you pay me? I thought about it and I said, okay, I will pay you 8,000 rupees. His face became very small. He said, what happened? Why are you unhappy? 8,000 is not enough. Right now. Okay, how much do you want? I was expecting maybe 10,000, 12,000 something. He said 15,000. I got slightly taken aback. 15,000 is like a lot of money in a village. I said, what are you currently doing? How much are you earning? Anything, I am earning only 2,000 rupees. What do you do? I am a tailor. He is earning 2,000 rupees in a tailoring shop, but he is not willing to take a job for 8,000 rupees. He is waiting for the job that will give him 15,000 rupees. Now these are the mindsets of the challenge that lies before us. Right? So it is not about how many villages we will quickly take up and go there and transform the villages. It is a lot of hard work. But we are prepared to do it. And we also have the experience of doing it. We will make our best effort. Inshallah, we will also get God's help. That's our this hope we are willing to work hard. Maybe we will succeed. District lo villages Nerlapalli ani Balnagar mandallo inkoka gramam unnadi. Shadnagar mandallo Burgula ani gramam unnadi. Nalgonda district lo Ramannapet ani oka gramam unnadi. Medak district lo Cheriyal unnadi, Kohir kuda unnadi. Cheriyal lo Shahbaz Khan kuda, Kohir ee rendu gramalu unnayi. మెదక్ లో చెరియాల్ మండలంలో షాబాస్ ఖాన్ కూడా, ఇంకొక వచ్చేసి కోహీర్ 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 KOHIR కోహీర్. ఇంకొక వచ్చేసి వనపర్తి మహబూబ్ నగర్ లో. ఈ మహబూబ్ నగర్ మండలం అన్నమాట. ఉట్కూర్ మండలం అవుతుంది, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మహబూబ్ నగర్. నారాయణపేట దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. ఆల్రెడీ మన దగ్గర 5000 హోటల్ ఉన్నాయి ఈ గ్రామాల్లో. అన్ని గ్రామాల్లో మేమేం ఎప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే మా స్ట్రాటజీ ఏ స్ట్రాటజీ డెవలప్ చేసాము, వాళ్ళని చూపించాలి ఇది ఎలా చేయొచ్చు అనేది, వాళ్లకు ఆ నమ్మకం కలిగించాలి. అందుకు అక్కడ మోడల్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఫస్ట్ సెటప్ చేస్తాం. ఉట్కూర్లో మోడల్ ఫార్మ్ ఇంకా ఫినిష్ కాలేదు, డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆల్రెడీ మిడిల్ లో ఉన్నది. కానీ వేరే గ్రామాలు ఏమేమో చెప్పాను నేను, అక్కడ మోడల్ ఫార్మ్స్ కూడా సెటప్ చేస్తాం. కొంతమంది యువతులు ఆ గ్రామాల్లో నుంచి, వనపర్తి నుంచి జావేద్, వాజిద్ అని ముగ్గురు ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళని ఇచ్చాము. ఆ తర్వాత నెల్లపల్లి గారు దామోదర్ రెడ్డి గారు అని ఉన్నారు, తనకి ఇచ్చాము. ఇంకొక శాస్త్రి గారు అని ఉన్నారు నెల్లపల్లిలో, వాళ్ళని ఇచ్చాము. ఇంకొక అక్బర్ అని ఉన్నాడు నెల్లపల్లి గ్రామం ఆల్రెడీ. అంటే కానీ వీటిని ఒక గ్రూప్ లాగా చేసి మా ప్లాన్, మా మోడల్ ఎలా ఉన్నదో ఆ మోడల్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయగలిగామా అని మీరు ప్రశ్న అడిగితే నేను క్లియర్ గా చెప్తాను, కాదు అండి. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ చిన్న చిన్న ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ వీఆర్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు పుట్ దిస్ ఎంటైర్ థింగ్ టుగెదర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ లాంగ్ ప్రాసెస్, రైట్? బట్ వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్, దట్ పాత్ ఇస్ క్లియర్ టు us. ఆ డైరెక్షన్ మాకు క్లియర్ ఉన్నది. కొన్ని ఉట్కూర్లో చాలా కోఆపరేషన్ ఉంది. అంటే పీపుల్ ఆర్ నాట్, యంగ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ yet joining, but elders in the village are very happy with what we are thinking and they are supporting everything. For example, in Utkur we are going to set up an intermediate college, especially for girl children. It's a big problem. College is 14 kilometers away. Bus lo velte eve teasing avanti problems unnai, so girl children should stay at home, right? So by starting a college we will be addressing a huge problem. No, in Utkur we are going to set up a college. Now how are we going to set up a college? We will provide the teaching staff. Utkur will provide, the village will provide us the building. That is cooperation. లేకపోతే చేయలేమండి. It's a long-term process. Zahir sir. Zahiruddin Ali Khan. Bahar sir is a general manager with us. Bahar Mohammed. And Mushtaq sir is also general manager. My name is Abdul Mujib Khan. Abdul Mujib Khan.
Tell about the target this year, production target.
This year our target is to achieve 10,000 sales.
10,000
sales. Cheap hotel. Bakri lo 10,000.